Running Google or Meta ads for your real estate project but not getting bookings? Many developers face this problem. Leads come in, but they don't convert into customers. To attract serious buyers, clearly mention price, approvals like HMDA or TTCP, and the exact location in your ads. When ads are transparent about price and approvals, only genuine buyers will reach out. In real estate, speed is everything. Responding within 5 minutes significantly increases your conversion chances. Immediately share project images and location maps via WhatsApp to build trust and keep the lead engaged. Real estate sales happen after site visits. Focus your strategy on booking those visits. Urgency motivates buyers. Show limited availability to encourage faster decisions. With the right strategy, a 30,000 rupee budget can generate quality leads and bookings. For high quality real estate leads and site visit bookings, contact us today.